always sees me through. When you're good to mama, mama's good to you.
You might think I'm here to make your life a living hell. It's just not true.
There's a lot of favors I'm prepared to do. You do one for mama, she'll do one for you.
I'd like to be your friend if you let me. So if there's something that upsets you or makes you unhappy in any way, don't shoot your fat ass mouth off to me, because I don't give a shit. Now move it out.
They say that life is tit for tat, and that's the way I live. So I deserve a lot of tact for what I've got to give. Don't you know that this hand washes that one too? When you're good to mama, mama's good to you.
Let's go. You must be hard. Ain't you the pretty one?
Thank you, man.
Oh, no, call me mama. I'm here to take care of you. Now you'll be habitating down in the East Block. Murderous Row, we call it.
Oh, is that nicer? You know, I don't think I really belong in here. I didn't actually do anything wrong.
You don't need to tell me, honey. I ain't never heard of a man getting killed when he didn't get just what was coming to him.
Hey, Mama! Come here. Come here.
Velma Kelly. You were the Velma Kelly. Do you know I was there that night? I was there the night that you got arrested.
Yeah, you and half of Chicago. Look at this, Mama. An editorial denouncing me in Red Book magazine. Not in memory do we recall so fiendish and horrible a double homicide.
Baby, you couldn't buy that kind of publicity.
Couldn't buy it?